Grand Matador Brandy blazing player. Yan po si Eric Meng. Kapit sa inyo ng Grand Matador Brandy. Tuloy ang init. 19 points so far for the former PBA.
And one opportunity.
Maganda yun.
Para dito kay Eric Meng.
Give it is inside. Testing shot is no good. Tip in. One more. Para kay Eric Meng.
It's the effort of the frontliners.
On talent alone ginito, lamang yung mga Pilipino. Almost an immovable force underneath.
Jim to the back. Look at this pass.
Baseline out of bounds play. Somebody popping out, leaving Eric Meng wide open for that easy basket, and that's typical.
Ito yung si Meng, sinuwerte na rin na yung bola bumalik sa kanyang kamay. Mark Fingers unable to contain the basketball. Eric Beck, he already has 15 to lead.